everyone. This build actually started with a 3D print that I had of a gentleman that I thought would suit the Heller Bentley blower. He looked very sophisticated, plus he sort of suited the 1930s, 40s type of gentleman and I found him on the internet and I printed him out. I had the Heller kit for a while and I finally decided to make it. The first thing I did was obviously did a bit of research on the vehicle, and when I had a look at it, I decided that I wanted to make the vehicle nice and freshly presented, all glossy and new, because obviously any owner of the Bentley would keep it in top shape. I started with the engine, and surprisingly for a kit this age, the engine was very detailed, and it built up very nicely. Because of the complexity of this kit, I also decided to paint it as I went. You need to determine, as you go, what needs to be painted. Some things can be glued together and then painted, but some things need to be painted as a little unit before they're attached. For most of the build, the kit came together quite well. The only problem came around when I attached the engine to the chassis. There was a slight bend to the frame at this point. The cab part was a little bit difficult because it came in two pieces, split right down the middle. So it took a great deal of filling and sanding to remove the seam at this point. The base was made from a wide piece of pine. I cut it to shape, and then I stained it and I added a bit of ground material. The only issue was that I think I left the sand on it a while before I peeled off the masking tape. I should have peeled it off much sooner. It left a bit of a ragged edge, but actually it's not too bad. It looks quite country-like in its appearance, so I just left it as it was. I found a manor background on the internet, and I decided to take a photo of the model in front of the manor. Reminded me very much of Peter Bowles on To the Manor Born at this stage, and I think it suits it quite well.